Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shopify reviews. Customer reviews are incredibly powerful for any online store, acting as social proof and building trust with potential buyers. They can significantly influence purchasing decisions, often leading to a 20% increase in conversion rates. We'll go through the simple steps to get reviews set up, helping you leverage this valuable feedback to grow your business and connect more deeply with your customers. To truly harness the power of reviews, you'll need a dedicated review application. The Shopify App Store offers hundreds of options, each with unique features. Consider apps that allow customers to upload photos, offer automated review request emails, and provide easy moderation tools. Many apps offer a free tier or a free trial period, typically for 14 days, allowing you to test them before committing to a paid plan. Once you've selected an app, the next step is installation and configuration. This usually takes just a few minutes. You'll want to customize the review widget's appearance, ensuring it seamlessly integrates with your store's design. Most apps allow you to adjust colors, fonts, and layout. Crucially, set up automated emails to send review requests to customers a few days after their order is fulfilled, maximizing your collection rate. Effective review management is key to long-term success. Always moderate new reviews to ensure they are genuine and appropriate. Responding to customer feedback, whether positive or negative, shows you value their input and builds stronger relationships. Consider showcasing your top reviews on product pages, your home page, or even in marketing materials to highlight customer satisfaction and encourage more sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.